Joining us now is NewsNation correspondent Brooke Shafer. Brooke, you had exclusive access to a lab in Texas that uses special technology to identify substances in these street drugs?
Yeah, Elizabeth, like you said, NewsNation given very rare exclusive access inside that lab in Austin, Texas. While my team was there, I spoke with crime techs who work to identify drugs found on our streets. It's a job that's complicated by the fact that Texas DPS officials say the cartels are constantly working to disguise drugs like fentanyl.
In Austin, Texas this month, EMS and 911 faced what they described as a deadly overdose surge.
We're gonna do one more, okay?
Video showing a rush to administer Narcan.
There we go, there we go.
At least 9 people died. Preliminary testing shows each had traces of fentanyl in their systems.
It just kind of became a domino effect after that. It was one after another.
The number of drug overdose calls to 911 last week, a 1,000% spike for the city of Austin, where tonight crime techs are working thousands of cases.
So this is a case of confirmed fentanyl in the white powder form.
Analyzing drugs found on Texas streets, testing them for things like cocaine, meth, and fentanyl. NewsNation given exclusive rare access inside this crime lab in Austin.
Whenever drugs like fentanyl are seized and they're brought to this building, they first come right here to this room that's called the drug vault. Most people don't have access to it. You have to have a special PIN code just to get inside. And I'm told on any given day, there are at least 5,000 pieces of evidence in this room alone.
The lab, one of the busiest for Texas DPS, uses special technology like color testing to rapidly identify illegal drugs. Tonight, Texas DPS says cases of confirmed fentanyl found and brought here continue to grow, up from 94 cases in 2019 to over 2,000 in 2023. More often than not, the deadly drug, they tell us, is found in pills like these, disguised to look like other drugs.
Pretty much anytime we see this M30 tablet, which is suspected oxycodone, we actually now suspect fentanyl instead.
Fentanyl, a looming threat, not only for recreational drug users across the U.S. The CDC says every day more than 200 people die from a fentanyl overdose, but also for border officials who fear scenes like these of officers unknowingly interacting with the deadly drug.
I just got really lightheaded.
Texas DPS Lieutenant Chris Olivares blames the rise in fentanyl cases on Mexico and the drug cartels.
So they're able to produce this drug, at a large amount and get it across the border into states at a much lower cost.
This last week in Austin, health officials say was the city's worst overdose outbreak in nearly a decade. Border officials tonight fearing not only the thousands of cases that end up in this DPS crime lab, but the ones that don't.
Much more of the drug is getting by, and I think that's what makes it so much more dangerous, that we don't know. It's the unknown exactly how much of this drug is being produced and how much of this drug is getting by us.
And that really is the challenge for officials, especially in Texas, because they say these deadly drugs are not only being spotted in border towns, they are making their way into major cities. And those crime labs are feeling the effects. That one in Austin, Texas, telling us they've even added on extra personnel to handle the caseload.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.